Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's me. Today I am excited to introduce you to my latest digital product, a beginner's guide to a plastic-free home. If you're looking to reduce your plastic consumption and live a more sustainable lifestyle, then this is the perfect product for you. We discuss the detrimental effects of plastic on our bodies and the planet, as well as shedding light on some surprising facts about plastic waste that you might not have known before. This will hopefully inspire you to take action. Inside the guide, you'll find inspiration and actionable steps to help you kickstart your journey towards a cleaner, greener home. So don't worry if you can't commit to an all-plastic-free existence. We provide you with a list of items commonly found in plastic packaging that you can easily replace with plastic-free alternatives. Every small step counts. However, we'll show you how to turn your kitchen into a plastic-free haven by making simple yet effective swaps. And much more. We understand that change can be daunting, so we provide practical solutions. Say goodbye to plastic bottles and harsh chemicals and hello to eco-friendly cleaning practices and visual inspiration to help you transform your kitchen into an eco-friendly space without sacrificing style or convenience. Let's take a peek inside so you can see what's included. The first section covers why going plastic-free is beneficial for both our health and the environment. Plus, we'll show you how to use reusable cloths, sponges, and brushes to further reduce your plastic consumption. What are your top tips for living a plastic-free lifestyle? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to read your suggestions. Making mindful purchasing decisions is crucial for reducing plastic waste. Learn to assess whether you truly need an item before buying it and consider the environmental impact of your choices. We also explain that living a plastic-free life isn't about being perfect, but rather making conscious choices to reduce our reliance on single-use plastics and harmful chemicals. You'll discover how to make your gift-giving more sustainable without compromising on thoughtfulness or presentation. You'll discover simple swaps such as switching to bar shampoo, using bamboo toothbrushes, opting for toothpaste, tablets, or powders in reusable glass jars, and ditching plastic combs and razors for safer alternatives. You'll explore laundry detergent sheets, soap nuts, reusable washing cloths, and other eco-friendly alternatives to traditional plastic packaged laundry. Composting food scraps instead of throwing them away reduces plastic bag usage and creates nutrient-rich soil for your plants. You'll learn how to bring your own cloth, bags, glass jars, and containers to carry out your groceries and dry goods. While completely eliminating plastic from your life may not be feasible, every conscious choice you make contributes to a healthier home and planet for everyone. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a wealth of resources and support to help you on your plastic-free journey and beyond. Recycling properly is also essential, and will guide you on how to sort your waste efficiently, emphasizing the importance of clean and accepted materials only. By the end of this section, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to wash your clothes while minimizing your environmental impact. With a little preparation and the right mindset, you can minimize plastic waste and make your shopping experience both sustainable and economical. Next, we dive into a practical and easy way to begin reducing plastic in your life, starting with the bathroom. By making small adjustments in your bathroom, you can significantly reduce your plastic footprint, while enjoying the benefits of natural and sustainable products. To make these changes even easier, we provide visual inspiration through images of neatly organized shelves, showcasing the recommended products. Once you've mastered plastic-free bathroom habits, the next step is to shop smart, specifically at zero-waste stores. For example, swapping out plastic bottled condiments for reusable glass jars. In Section 3, we tackle the kitchen, one of the main culprits when it comes to plastic waste. You'll discover how to replace plastic wrap with beeswax wraps. Switch to glass or stainless steel containers for food storage. Use wooden utensils and natural fiber brushes to eliminate plastic straws and cutlery. Section 4 focuses on natural cleaning alternatives, allowing you to maintain a clean home while minimizing plastic waste. You'll learn how to create your own cleaners using natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, and store them in labeled glass spray bottles. This section provides you with the knowledge and inspiration to make the switch to plastic-free cleaning without compromising on effectiveness or safety. Moving on to Section 5, we address laundry, another area where plastic waste can accumulate. We understand that breaking free from conventional laundry habits might seem challenging, but we're here to guide you through the process with practical tips and recommendations. Before we continue, I'd love to hear from you. In Section 6, we'll talk about conscious buying and gifting. Additionally, we provide suggestions for plastic-free gifts, such as handmade soaps, candles, in jars, and reusable essentials like water bottles and cloth bags. By adopting a mindful approach to shopping and gifting, you can significantly reduce your plastic footprint, while still enjoying the pleasures of retail therapy and gift giving. Finally, the last section of the guide covers composting and recycling wisely. We'll provide you with simple steps to start including keeping a small compost bin in your kitchen and utilizing a compost caddy for easy collection. By mastering these techniques, you'll minimize the amount of plastic ending up in landfills while contributing to a healthier planet. Throughout the guide, we'll keep motivated by highlighting the collective impact that these small actions can have on our environment. If you're passionate about sustainability and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to subscribe. So, if you're ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a cleaner, greener home, grab a copy of our Beginner's Guide to a Plastic-Free Home and take the first step towards a more sustainable lifestyle today.